How you going, guys? Josh here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm just going to teach you how to search for a leak on your gas system. So basically all you really need to go and get is just some soapy water, really high soap content in it, as best as possible. And what you end up doing is basically with the gas turned on, so turn the gas on, this will run through the system. And what you're testing is testing around areas on top of the regulator, through here, the fitting on the actual gas bottle as well. So basically you just want to spray some water, spray some soapy water around that, and basically it will indicate if you've got a leak by an actual bubble forming. And if there's a bubble forming, it's either that this fitting is not done up tight enough or your O-ring is actually busted on your actual gas side. But if it's leaking up here and it's leaking along this line, when you spray along the line as well, that's a clear indication that the line is split and would require replacement.